Chapter 6 Animal Classification. Points to be covered. Phylum Vertebrata is divided into 6 classes as follows: Class Cyclostomata, Class Species, Class Amphibia, Class Reptilia, Class Eves, Class Mammalia. Class Cyclostomata, with the figure we'll see here, it's Petromyzon here. Here is a sucker, eye, gill slit, body. These animals have jawless mouth provided with sucker. Their skin is soft and without scale. Pair appendages are absent. Endoskeleton is cartilaginous. Most of these animals are ectoparasitic. Example, Petromyzon or Myzane, etc. Class Species, with the help of figure we'll see dogfish, mouth, eye, lateral line, dorsal fin, caudal fin, ventral fin, pelvic fin, pectoral fin and gill slit. These animals are cold-blooded pykolothms, aquatic animals living in marine and fresh waters. Body is spindle-shaped to minimize water resistance. They have paired and unpaired fins for swimming. Tail fin is used as steering organ during swimming. Exoskeleton is in form of scales and endoskeleton is either cartilaginous or bony. Respiration occurs with gills. Example, rohu, pomfret, seahorse, shark, electric ray, stingray, etc. Class Amphibia, with the help of figure we'll see frog. It is mouth, nares, tympium, then trunk, then you can say soft skin, forearms and legs. And toad is having a rough skin here. These animals are strictly aquatic during larval life and perform only aquatic respiration, whereas they can live in water as well as on land during adult life and can perform aquatic as well as aerial respiration. They have 2 pairs of appendages. Digits are without claws. Exoskeleton is absent. Skin is without any derivatives, usually kept moist for respiration. External ear is absent, but tympanium is present. Neck is absent. Eyes are prominent with eyelids. For example, frog, trout, salamander, etc. Class Reptilia. Here is the wall lizard example. You can see eye here, legs here, scaly skin here and tail. According to the course of animal evolution, these are the first true terrestrial animals with creeping movements. These are cold-blooded pykolothms animals. They creep on land as their body cannot be lifted up. The skin is dry and scaly. Neck is present between head and trunk. External ear is absent. Digits are provided with claws. Example, tortoise, lizard, snake, etc. Class Eves, these vertebrates are completely adapted for aerial life. These are warm-blooded homeotherms, that is, they can maintain their body temperature constant. Their body is spindle-shaped to minimize the air resistance during flight. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Digits are covered with scales and bear claws. Exoskeletons are present in form of feathers. Neck is present between head and trunk. Jaws are modified into beak. Example, peacock, parrot, pigeon, duck, penguin, etc. We'll see here the figure of pigeon. It is beak, it is head, eyes, neck and claws. Class Mammalia. Presence of mammary gland is a typical characters of Mammalia. These animals are warm-blooded. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk, tail. Digits are provided with nails, claws or hooves. Exoskeleton is in form of hair or fur. Example, elephants, human, kangaroo, dolphin, bat, etc. We'll see here the figure of bat here. Bat is a mammal here, and eye, then body, legs and patagium. Chapter 7 Introduction to Microbiology. Points to be covered: Applied Microbiology, Industrial Microbiology. Industrial Microbiology main features. Applied Microbiology. branch of biology in which study of enzymes related to some prokaryotes and eukaryotic microbes, proteins, applied genetics, molecular biology, etc. is performed is called as applied microbiology. This study is used for the society and various products like food and medicines are produced on large scale with the help of microorganisms. Industrial microbiology. This science is related to commercial use of microbes in which various economic, social and environmental related processes and products are included. Various microbial processes are used for this purpose are carried out. Industrial microbiology main features. The first one is the various production with the help of fermentation process. Example bread, cheese, wine, raw materials for chemical, enzymes, nutrition, medicines, etc. And second one, use of microbes for garbage management and pollution control.